SolidCAM is a CAM solution that runs inside of SolidWorks. In the previous video, we saw how to set up a part for machining by defining the machine, stock, and coordinate system. In this video, we will do a face milling operation, and we will do a pocketing operation. The stock for this part was defined with 2 millimeters on the top face. We can access all operations from a right-click menu. This will be a face operation. Default is to face mill the stock. We select a tool. And enter the parameter information. We set the depth of cut. Choose the type of toolpath we want from this drop-down. And we get a preview of what that type of toolpath looks like. We can simulate the toolpath. To see what material has been removed and what's still left to be machined. If it looks acceptable, we can save and exit the operation. In this video, we will do a pocketing operation. We select the pocket geometry. We select a tool. Find the depth of cut. Select the type of toolpath we want. How much stock do we want to leave on the sides? And if we want, we can do a finish operation right now. How do we want to lead into the cut? Let's simulate the toolpath. If that looks acceptable, we can save and exit the operation. Thank you.